Here is how to fix the Among Us login problems. The common cause might include that the game is not installed from the Google Play Store, or it has been installed using the APK or mod, or Google Play games are not syncing correctly, or there is any corrupted cache or data, network or VPN problems, or server-side issues from the game developers. Uninstall Among Us on your phone. Tap and hold on to it, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm. Then after open the App Store or the Play Store according to your device, click on the search bar in the top and search for Among Us, then select install. If you do not want to uninstall it, you can also go ahead and search for Among Us, and if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select update, which is highlighted in blue color, in order to update it to its latest version. This fixes ID mismatch errors from using the APKs. Another thing you can do is you can clear the cache. So tap and hold on to the Among Us application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Now scroll down and select Storage, then click on Clear Cache. Come back, try first stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also open the Google Play Games and sign in, if not, and turn off VPNs or private DNS, as VPNs can interfere with the login process, and check your date and time. Make sure that it's set to automatic. Incorrect time can cause login failures. And restart everything. Restart your phone, restart your Among Us application, and then launch it and see if it works. Or you can also try using a different internet connection. Switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, as a weak network can prevent login. And in Among Us, you can also go ahead, create a new account, as guest accounts may not work consistently. If nothing works, it's likely a server issue, which is common during the updates, or a bug from Inert Sloth, which is the game developer. So wait for an update or play as a guest temporarily. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.